Good morning, everyone. Today, discussing that is let us learn about the next topic is heating effect of electric current in electricity. Okay, now discussing the topic is heating effect of electric current. Heating effect of electric current means when an electric current, there is an electric current passing through the circuit, that is passing through a wire. Okay. Passing through the circuit means there is a wire, only wire is the connection to the any object. Okay, that wire is heated up. Okay, that is called heating effect of electrical current. You understood, ma? When an electrical current passing through passing through wire or circuit, passing through the current in a wire. Okay, passing through the current in a wire. That wire is heated up. Okay, that is known as heating effect of electrical current. Okay, this is mainly depending on the three factors. That wire is mainly depending on the three factors. First one is the material of the wire, and the second one is the length of the wire, and the third one is the thickness of the wire. So mainly these three factors are mainly depending on the circuit of the wire. Okay na? So that wire is converted in a coil only. Okay na? That contains the coil of wire. Okay. So that wire is that coil is heating. That coil is heating means that is heat energy is produced. Okay. Automatically iron bulbs, that is heaters and air dryers and next geyser and so many are observing in your daily life. Okay, that's all are observing. There is electric current. That is the electrical current is passing through the circuit only. Okay, that circuit means there is a wire is connected in a circuit. Yes or no? That wire is considered the coil. The coil is heated. The coil is heated means that is a heat is produced. Okay, so there is a current is passing through means heat is a effect one. Okay, heating effect of electrical current. Okay, you understood now. For example, you are observing the 100 candles bulb. 100 candle bulb is you are observing the one small spring is there. Yes or no? That is the filament. Filament means that is a wire is converted to the we are using the three factors on materials, length and the thickness of the wire. Okay, here depending on the thickness of the wire, any material, we are considering the any material. For suppose heaters. Heater is considered the inside is a material is considered the that is the thickness of the wire is here rolling condition is there na. Yes or no? This is the thickness of the wire. This is the wire only materials. Okay, depending on the materials. So here heat is absorbing the more. Yes or no? Higher, that is the higher power of the energy we are using. Yes or no? And the next thing is here see, that is this is the electrical stove. This is the old version system only. Okay, but now new system is considered that is one slate is there na? Glass type of the slate. In here round shapes inside is the round shapes is considered. Yes or no? So in round shapes is observing small filaments are inside. Small filaments in inside is observed. That is spring. Small spring is observed. Okay na? So that spring is absorbing the electrical power. Automatically that is electrical power is converted to the heat. So that's why this object is any object is observing the heat condition. Okay, that is the electrical materials. Any electrical materials observing the heat condition. You are understood, na? And the next thing, iron box. Just inside you are observing, na? That is the coils is there. There is zinc materials of the coils. Yes or no? This type of the springs is there. Inside is springs is there. Okay, that springs is absorbing the electrical energy. That is the electrical energy is converted to the heat. Okay, you understood? Now that is mainly here electrical current. Electrical is current is converted to the heat energy only. Here this type of materials all are lost to the more energy of the power, more energy of the electrical power. Here you are gain to the more electrical energy. Okay, and releasing to the more electrical energy also. That is releasing the more heating effect, because here observing the more energy of the electrical power. That's why only you are releasing the more heating of the effect only. Okay, you are understood, Nana? And a filament, 100 candles filament also you are observing, Nana. 5 minutes. Just you switch on the bulb. Yeah, after you switch off the bulb, after you just touch the bulb, what is your feel very hot only, because that is your loss of energy is the more. Your heating, that is heat is produced more, means that is your energy is the loss. Okay, for suppose that condition you are taking in a LED bulb. Okay, now same timing. So timing is the same only. Same thing. Again you touch the LED bulb. Your that is just your what is observed. Your heating is a little bit only. Yes sir, no, that meaning that that place is the energy is a little bit only loss. Okay, is compared to the ordinary bulb. Okay, that's why only now all members any place using in a LED bulbs only. Tube lights also observe, Nana. Inside is a white color is there, na? That is the fluorescence only. Okay, that fluorescence is observing, and that is heating produces. Heating produces a little bit only. Okay, now your transfer to outside is a little bit only. That's why only that you lost the some energy only. That is the electrical power is using the some little bit only. That's why so many places are using in that is the tube lights and LED bulbs. You are understood or not? Okay. And the next thing is next topic is, let us learn about the next topic is electric fuse. Okay. Before you are observing the more energy of the your loss of the more energy of the electrical power. Okay. So this electrical power is transferred to the in a fuse. Okay. So here see this fuse. This is the fuse only. You are all observing in our houses. Yes, sir. Houses or any electrical stations, any electrical places you are observing this type of fuse. Okay. Here small wire is there. Na? Here see. This is the small wire. So this small wire is using the mixture of the two materials. Okay. For suppose here that is coming to the higher power of the energy is transferred to the circuit. Automatically that wire is made or break or anything only you are observing. That's why only you are not working to the remaining materials. So that's why this is the electrical fuse is the safety one only. You are understood now? But suppose you are directly connected to the that is a power station to remaining your house's remaining parts, that is the electrical materials. What you are observe directly coming to means that is automatically you are coming to higher power. So automatically you are failed to the remaining electrical materials. That's why only using this is this one electrical fuse. Okay, that is the electrical power stations is coming to the electrical fuse. This electric fuse is dividing the remaining parts. Okay, now that's electron. That is electric power is dividing the remaining parts. Okay, for suppose you are coming to higher power of the energy, automatically this is failed to the this one only, but remaining all are safe. You are understood, Nana? Remaining all are safe. That's why only this is a safety device only. Okay, safety device and avoid the fire condition. Okay, this is the safety device of the current to turn off the current. Okay, this is the safety device of the to turn off the current. You are understood, ma? This is a avoid the firing condition and saving of the current. Okay. But suppose here we are using the materials is the pressure. This also here also depending on the three factors. That is the materials and length of the wire and thickness of the wire. But this wire you are using the two materials of them. That is the mixture of the two materials. Okay, you are understood, Nana? So this is the main important in your any electrical places condition. Okay, in a houses or schools or in any function places or observing this is electrical fuse. You are coming to heavy power of the coming to in circuit. You are control the electrical fuse only. Okay, you are understood, Nana? This is the that is the electrical current is converted to the heating effect only. Okay, you are coming to overheat. That is you are coming to higher power of the energy. Okay, here loss of the more energy of the that is a more electrical power. Okay, here loss of the more electrical why that is the heating is observing the outside. You are feeling to the very hot because you are loss of the more electrical energy. Okay, you are understood, Nana? Thank you.